what's up guys, Karan here, and this is the unboxing of a 9x9. That's right, a ShengShou 9x9 from the SCMU Cube Store. So let's get right into it. So here I have the invoice. I'm gonna be needing that. And here's the cube. That's pretty heavy. It's it weighs at least half a kilo, you know. So let's open this up. So I have some 3000 centi-stock PDMS loop from SCMU and a pouch as always. So that's great. And here's the 9x9. So it's from SCMU and that's pretty big. Let's open this up. Wow. Now that is a huge puzzle. So this is pretty big. I mean, look at this. Let's do a size comparison. So this is a Alpha. This is a ShengShou 5x5, and this is a 3x3. This is the Yuxin 3x3. That's nearly 2 times more than nearly twice as large actually. Wow, this is big. So now let's take a look at first turns. This is smooth. This is really smooth. And so 2 layers. It's quite difficult to hold it in your hand actually. Oops, 2 layers. Got that bit of a scratchy feel. 3 layers. Oh, that's difficult to turn. And the same on this side. So let me just go ahead and do a checkerboard pattern. I hope it doesn't pop. Oh wow. It needs to be perfectly aligned because it does not cut at all. Holy wow. Oops. Now that 4th layer is a bit difficult to turn, and I'm actually scared that I might pop this puzzle, because if I do, then I'm gonna have one heck of a time assembling it. Whew. Once more. Oh wow. It's really not easy to turn, guys, let me tell you this. There you have it. The checkerboard pattern on the 9x9. Let's do the same on a 3x3. Also on the 5x5. And the 7x7. These cubes just feel so much smaller after you handle 9x9. So checkerboard patterns on all of these 4 cubes. Absolutely wonderful. So yeah, I guess that's it, guys. That's it for this video. This is just an unboxing. So I'm gonna undo the checkerboard pattern now. And I want to thank SCMU store for giving this puzzle to me. Thank you so much, guys. You've been doing a great job. I mean, it's the best cube store in India, in my opinion. Seriously the best. And just thank you so much for this. Very soon I have a special video coming out that involves this puzzle, so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. Oh, this is where it gets difficult. It just kind of locks up on the 4th layer. I don't know why. They have it. A 9x9. Let's do a quick T-perm. Wow. You know, that's it, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I know this is just quite boring video because there's nothing really to explain. I mean, this is just an unboxing of this huge puzzle here. So this is the unboxing of the ShengShou 9x9. Thank you SCMU store for everything. You're doing a great job. And I want to thank all the people from India who represented India in World Championships. Kabinel Talagdar, Barganar Simon, Rituraj, I'm sorry if I spelled your name wrong, Shivam Bansal and his sister Soumya Bansal. So you have made us proud, guys, really. And Kabinel, congratulations on winning blindfolded. And that's it. Congratulations to everyone. You made us proud. No wonder you made the Indian cubing community proud. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do hit the like button if you like the video, and for any questions, the comment section is always open to you guys. And this rain, wow, it's raining. Okay, and do subscribe for more great videos, and also stay tuned because very soon there'll be a special video involving this puzzle. Yep, this puzzle right here, pretty big. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.